Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Oh my god, I don't know why you haven't subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click to the red button. And if you have always been my follower, thank you and keep on following. Today we are going to go for a road trip. Nowadays I'm in the mood of going to random places, hidden gems, and just having a good time. So I decided this Mashujaa day I'll just take a drive to somewhere and just have fun. I hope you enjoy.
This is Africa, United Africa, yeah. She's my motherland, my Africa. The rivers and the mountains and the forests and the desert. Lots of animals in the parks. They are jumping, they are singing, they are skipping, they are laughing. Everybody show love. No more wars, no more hate. We can all just be great. If you're happy and happy, let's all be happy. This is Africa, United Africa. She's my motherland, my Africa. This is Africa, United Africa.
My goal and purpose on this Mashujaa day was literally to go somewhere and just enjoy and have a breeze and forget about things that disturb my mind. And there's this undisclosed place that has nice greenery, good environment, that I decided to just go and camp there and do a little picnic. You don't have to go to an expensive hotel or something for you to have fun. So I was there with my wine. I love Nederberg. By the way, Nederberg should come through because I always drink your red wine, which is sweet. And yeah, it's a South African wine. And 4th Street, Sweet Rose. Those are my favorite wine. Those guys should come through and give me an endorsement or something, because I'm used to taking your wine all the time. So yeah, this is a small picnic that I just literally had gone for, just rejuvenating my mind and all that. Of late, I've been doing this book called My Name is Tony. It's written by a Kenyan author called Waithira Francis, and it's just some awesome book. Literally, Tony is just a naive girl from the Kenyan city of Nairobi, moves to the French town of Talas. She has to maneuver not only a new city with limited linguistic skills, but also survive a completely new social environment. Many of her youthful assumptions are heavily tried, you know. She moves from one man's arm to another, often at great risk to her well-being and sometimes her life too. Her marriage crumbles right along with her expectations of her adopted nation. So it's some interesting book that you have a great read as you're enjoying your picnic, you know. But they support our Kenyan brands, or we should support our local books and have readings of it, and you will always have something interesting to read. So it's quite like more of a movie, and I'm really enjoying it. So yeah. So guys, that's how I spend my Mashujaa day, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. So please continue subscribing and supporting me, and go watch the rest of the video. I really love you guys. Till next time, thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.